Brian with Mendez Mobile Detailing. Thank you guys for watching this video here, you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to go over some more SEO stuff to help you guys become better detailers, better detailing business owners, and just level up all around, right? So in this video, we're going to go a little bit more deeper into SEO. And if you want to learn all the ins and outs, then you can watch a lot of YouTube videos on, YouTube, of course. But if you want to save time, save the hassle, save the headache, then I have a step-by-step course, which I will link down below for you guys to check out. But without further ado, let's jump right into it, you guys. So in the last video, I don't know if you guys watched it, right? In the last video, we talked about SEO right here in this video on how to look for keywords and stuff like that. So if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you guys go ahead and do so. Now, in this video, we're going to go ahead and actually talk about where you can actually start placing these keywords to actually start helping you guys, right? So we're going to go ahead and exit out of this. If you haven't watched this, you guys, please make sure you watch it. Please make sure you watch it because everything we're going to go over now will all make sense. So let's assume this is your website and we're going to go ahead and edit our page, right? So let's assume this is our website. This is a website that I'm using as a tool to show you and as an example. This is actually a York, Pennsylvania detailer. He's no longer detailing though, so we aren't gonna go too crazy into putting a lot of effort into this. So what I want you guys to focus on is your title tag, your meta description tags, and your URL. So what are you talking about, Brian? What are you saying? I mean, if you have Wix, this should be pretty, simple and straightforward. There's an SEO basic section right here, which you can easily just click and edit everything. But I'm not too familiar with Squarespace or any other, software out there. I just know how to use Wix. So I just recommend if you want to use or build a website, use Wix because that's what I use. Now we're going to go to SEO basics right here, and we're going to go ahead and see that we don't have any keywords right here in our title, meta description, or our URL. So since our last video, I found a keyword and we're going to go ahead and type that keyword in. Now, I don't want to go back and talk about keywords. If you didn't watch the video, please go watch it, you guys. Please. It's going to make sense. Now, we're going to go ahead and click on the URL and we're going to start typing our keyword. Now, it's important that you put a dash after each word, not after each letter, not like this, right? Not like that, after each word. So car dash detailing dash York dash car detailing services, because this is our service page, services dash York dash PA. Now you don't want to put a dash at the end. It's just gonna look ugly. You don't want to do that, right? So we got car detailing services York PA. That is our URL. Now whatever city, whatever state you live in, you want to make sure that you do the keyword research from the last video and type, at least 10 to 15 keywords in your area. So that way you can, broaden your website and use them on each page, different keywords on each page. So in this example, right, we have our car detailing services York PA keyword. So now we need to go ahead and focus on editing our title tag and editing our meta description. Right, so you might be wondering, what is this, Brian? What exactly is this, right? So it's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and do a simple search, right? So we're gonna open a incognito window, and I'm gonna show you guys car detailing services York PA. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is. So this is what we're not detailing. This is what we're editing right here, you guys. The first thing people see, right? We're editing this right here. Right, so we have mobile car detailing and York PA specialist. This guy's ranking. We have auto detailing and ceramic coating, prestige auto spa. So what we want to do is stand out from all these basic or simple looking, title tags and stuff like that, right? So we're gonna go back to our website and we're gonna go ahead and make a better title tag. So we're gonna put flawless car now I always like using flawless. I don't know why. Is this a good word? Flawless car detailing services by experts in York PA. And then you want to put your business name right there. Now, I don't like using the dash right here just because it looks a little ugly to me. So what I would recommend is trying to see if you can find, let me see if I can find an example of what I mean. It's like a straight line. It's like a little like separator. Usually, look, this guy right here has it. So you can see that little dash right there. So I'm gonna copy that, paste it up here, and I just want this, which I recommend you guys, if you want to make it look a little better, that's a way to definitely add it. So we're gonna add that into our title tag. Now, as you guys can see, the live preview is actually right here on top. So it says flawless car detailing services by experts in ... right? So this is exactly how our website would show up here when people look for car detailing services, York, PA. Now, we're targeting that keyword, you guys. So it's important for us to create content around the car detailing services in York, PA keyword. So that way it gives us a better chance and a better, opportunity to start ranking for that word. So already we increased our chances by 2 by putting the title right here with the keyword and by putting the keyword also in our URL. Now, the last one that I want you guys to focus on right now is the meta description. And I'm sorry, I'm scratching my nose. I had pre-workout and my nose is starting to get itchy on me. So right here, you want to include something that tells them everything about you in like 2 sentences, right? So for example, right, you can look around at other websites too, but for example, we're going to go with the same as the title tag right here. So we're going to use get a flawless car detailing service from the comfort of your home. Our team of experts deliver a high quality detailing service to you without having to leave your home. All right, guys, that's a rough draft, right? Now, you can shorten this up. You can mess with it a little bit more, right? And just try to make it your own, right? And just, mess around with it, you guys. This is very important. I want to mention this. If you start working on your website, whatever you put does not have to be like the end of the world, like it's staying like that forever. I still make changes to my website mostly like every week. Like I still try to increase my rankings and increase my flow. I try to see where visitors are going the most and I try to adjust that page the most, or I just try to make it better, and if you take a look at my website now, then you'll see how far I came, because honestly it was never like looking that good. Anyways, so we have 1, 2, 3 done right here. Right, so we have the URL, we have the title tag, and we have the meta description. Now, this is where you want to focus on, you guys. Now, I could go into H1, H2, actual page content, on page optimization. But for now, this is a free video, free content for you guys, and I'm pretty sure this is going to help out a lot of you guys. So, like I mentioned, if you want to go ahead and get into my course, the course is actually going to be linked down below for you guys for $100. So we go over a lot of stuff here, right? So we go over, the Google My Business, getting the review link, registering your LLC, getting clients, and we go over setting up your website, SEO. It's just a lot, you guys, that, I'm pretty sure that you guys would appreciate, if you were in this course. And it's only $100. Price will go up come Sunday, and this video is actually Saturday. So tomorrow I'm raising the price to $4.99 just because I have 5 to 10 students already, and I want those students to be a priority to me, and I want them to actually start getting results from the course. So if you're not in early, I'm sorry, you guys. I try to make it as affordable, as cheap as possible, so that way, I can help you guys and give back. But the price will never go back to 100, unfortunately, and it will go up. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. We could go over, for days, right, about the SEO and stuff like that, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys. And just to quickly show you an example of my website and how I include it for mine, we're gonna go to Wash and Wax. So right here you guys see that I have a keyword, my keyword for my city, and it's gonna be different for everyone, right? is car wash in Richmond. This is my keyword, car wash in Richmond. We have professional mobile car wash in Richmond right here in our title, right? We have it up here. Let me see if I can hover over it. You see where my face is at right here up top. We have professional car wash and mobile car detail in Richmond. You know, so you can see how, you know, I'm using the keywords and stuff like that. And if you want to see that, if I'm actually ranking, you could go ahead and look it up. But without further ado, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. I really do. Hopefully help out some of you guys out there, because that's the main goal. See you guys in the next one. Hustle, never settle. Peace out. Let me know if you guys want more content like this, because I'm trying to switch it up, give you guys in-person detailing and also business and website development, because, you know, I want you guys to win. You know, if you guys win, you guys are going to make me smile, make me happy, and I'm going to feel accomplished. So appreciate y'all. Keep moving forward. Hustle, never settle. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.